Yes, sir. So we are at Elite Wheels. Big homie from House of Toys got his 2021 Cullinan up at this thing.
Baby, what's up?
Yeah,
I was concerned about it. I was freaking out. He's walking over.
I sent you the number last time.
Bitch, you need to shoot my hand. My first time seeing him in real life. Mom's over here shitting on people.
Killing it with the 2021 Escalade. Left that at home.
Hey, Keller, you want all your stock wheels that are built ready for you?
I'm the marketing guy here.
Oh, you got with all the problems, right?
You got 8-7 stock wheels sitting back there, bro.
You go straight to Ed. Everybody else comes to me.
Sir, baby. Fresh out.
This has to go in, right? Oh.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Just touch it.
Okay. Okay, I was like, oh.
Yeah, so this getting mounted up tomorrow.
See this one that just mounted up?
Licks out here. Drove 306 hours. We made it. Just got washed up. Looking good. Got KJ in the 750 down there. Big dog with me.
You'll be amazed. These iPhones do.
Oh yeah, I know it. Here go the big dog shit right here.
Alright, let's give you guys the tour.
Yes, sir.
Here's the yin and yang.
Right.
Yeah.
Boy Solomon right here. My Lincoln on money.
Yeah, Ed's shitting on him. And he's got a brand new G63 at the house, the new body. This is the old body.
I need 20 turbo, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Alright, so usually we'll have any sets of wheels that we have in stock built, they'll usually be in here. Usually all these wheels are hung up, but not now.
We got a lot of wheels.
We're getting ready for the show.
Right, right.
And then the rest of the wheels are going to come off the wall, so we can take everything to the show. Here's where we do the
Photo shoot.
Yeah.
What kind of food I came in like a lighthouse?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay.
This was a match back. A little touch.
Man.
It doesn't look so big from the outside, but it's massive.
Good gracious. Real warehouse right here.
Yep. We have close to 1 million items, like between wheels and tires, sitting there. And as you can see, the rows keep going.
Deep. Got a couple of off-roads on this.
So we just added a night shift because we had so much shit.
Look at this.
No, it's like 18. I think, or 20.
Closed for 4 hours.
I think night shift finishes at midnight.
Okay. And they come in at what, about 4 or something?
Exactly.
Yeah, 4.
Yeah.
They do an 8-hour shift.
So we do 6 a.m. till 4 and then 4 to 12. Here's where we do all of the returns. So we handle all the RMAs over here. This is all 2-piece Amani barrels. Both these, it's all barrels. So here's where all the returns get processed. And then we also have Galaxy Accessories is one of the companies that we have. So like lug nuts, locking lug nuts, all spike lug nuts, any type of like accessories that go with wheels is Galaxy Accessories, and we got
Tons
all types of shit, spacers and this and that, whatever. We can go back through the other way. They got shit everywhere.
Man, I'm talking about, bro, y'all are freaking loaded in
And
here.
we're adding on next door. We're adding on another building this size.
What?
You can see we're out of space.
Yeah, really are though.
There's shit everywhere.
Yeah, I mean, shit is in the rows.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Like,
Shit is in the rows where you gotta go.
yeah.
That's
See
crazy.
which aisle we go walk.
The rim shop or a tire shop, man. He got everything.
Look, can't even go down there. Good God. Man, who has to find this shit? Or log this shit?
Yeah, it's my
So every single thing, if you look, you see the bars.
Yeah.
So every single item, the computer knows exactly. So when it's logged in, we know exactly where it is.
Okay.
EK62A, B, C, D.
Damn.
So everything, like nothing in this warehouse is unaccounted for at all. And then our real machine shop is in California, but our real machine shop is here. 6-inch Amanis.
I can take pictures.
You just don't post nothing until after the trophies, because nobody knows that we did these. Each of these cost us $500, and we make them,
What?
and it cost us $500.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
No wonder you say y'all putting so much
How
in this
cute
show.
are they though? Look at these.
How cute.
They're so cute. Look at that.
No, they fine.
Look at that. And it's a real two-piece wheel. Like, look at how little them tiny little bolt things are.
Wow.
Yeah. And then we're gonna put it on this stand like this. And then the stand gets a base, and then it spins.
Wow. That's a lot of thought. Man, see, that's what I
You
want
win
to
the
do.
crowd with them right tomorrow, man.
And all these tires came off the container, so the guys tomorrow will probably start putting them back. These are all Amanis and shit that are ready to go. Your steering wheel is actually sitting right there somewhere.
Show me.
Both of your steering wheels are done. That's the only thing done though.
Right. So my wheels in
It's much easier.
Cali.
You don't gotta assemble. Yeah.
Right,
You don't
okay.
gotta build it, assemble, and do all that extra shit.
So with these. What's up, man? See what we got going on here. This probably big bro shit. I mean, that's for the box. That's fine though. I mean, both of them I get probably the same size. All the steering wheels be the same.
Yeah, we used to have like 4 or 5 different sizes, but not anymore.
Oh yeah. That's
Yeah, that's one of yours. You want to take it home with you? Your order I canceled, by the way. You told me you were not sure if you want to do 8, so I just took it out of rotation. If not, I was going to get in trouble for building a set that we might not need.
Alright, go back. Put it back in.
Oh, now you want 6s, not 8s? Because we got a set of 6s sitting here ready to go for you, by the way. I was going to show them to you and see if you'd rather just take them. They're ready. They're done. Dually, direct bolt on. I swear, they were for Ricky.
Show them to me.
I will. There you go.
Yes, sir. Y'all see me pure, baby.
But that's not one, bro. You got 2 sets of wheels.
Oh, y'all know it.
Well, they might
That
not.
boy solid, man, boy.
Yeah, he looked out.
If I get the new one, yeah.
If you get the new
All
dually.
yours now? Or are you just going to ride them for the show? And
You got
sell
some
them?
30s?
I put 30s in my duals.
What?
Just for the show.
Just for the show. You said no, you said low.
37s.
Sir.
So I want to do much higher, but they only have 40. So right now, that's a 37 inch. So I'm running that for now, and then really I want to put them 26s back on the truck whenever it's done. 'Cause I'm more like a custom, lifter type thing. But Honestly, they
Bam.
Nasty right there.
Now you let me know.
those are bad.
So he's got a box and a
Cutlass.
cutlass. Always.
These 26s right here?
Not so 30 by 16.
Oh, these are 30.
No, this,
Nah,
this is
regular
a F350 regular off.
I believe they're high polished.
Woo! Jesus.
Big boy. Yeah.
Let me take your skirt off.
Yeah. So that's what you get when you really just want to shit on him. Because
That's good high polish, bro. That's like chrome high polish.
Yeah, that's what it looked wrong.
yeah.
This is why I like builders, because y'all just defend it. Y'all defend it. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Nice.
Looking badass.
This shit out there?
I set it up.
Shit, yeah, y'all definitely gonna be starting at 8 o'clock. What up, dog?
They're the ones that assemble all the amounts.
Wow.
These are on Ed's Jeep. Yeah, the Jeep.
That was up.
Yeah, these are the 6s. Direct pull down.
Oh, yeah.
You can just change the tires to low profile.
Right, yeah, you definitely. Cause
Those be like direct pull down. They're here.
I see what you're saying. It depends on
You got the only set of floating caps for a month period.
them bitches flicking too.
That was mine. I mean, I'll tell you right now. No. I thought it was platform.